All right, people and cryptex, this is further update from my previous update about the server upgrade that is currently ongoing. All right, so they have emailed one of the top leaders and they have told everybody that the update or the upgrade is still ongoing. So I am just going to read the email anyway to all of you. Most of you must have seen this email. Okay, it's everywhere on the internet. Okay, one of the leaders shared this. I think it's one of the German leaders that the cryptex is writing. So this is the information that they sent recently. They said, hey, technicians are working on updating the system. The goal is to be back up and running as usual next Wednesday. They didn't specify which Wednesday. There is no date to this Wednesday, guys. It could be any Wednesday, right? It could be this week Wednesday, it could be next week Wednesday, it could be any Wednesday. But we are going to assume that it's going to be this week Wednesday, right? That is going to be our assumption based on this email that they sent to this leader. And they went further to say over 90 servers need to be reconfigured. Afterwards, a new synchronization with the main database, including a test run, must be performed. If this is implemented earlier, we will of course go online earlier too. And then they said, do you have any further questions? Please contact us if we can be of further assistance. Cryptex leadership team. So this is the information, as I said, coming from Cryptex. This is it, guys. This is it. I don't want to say too much regarding this update. I just want you to be aware of the further development that is happening in Cryptex. They said they have over 90 servers that they are updating and upgrading. So hopefully this Wednesday, the system on the site will be back up and running as they have emailed this leader. That's it. Thank you and God bless. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell button so that you will get notified when I update every single person in Cryptex. Thank you and God bless.